Alright, in that last video we went ahead and created our affiliate link and also went through the articles and went through how to set up your ClickBank account. So the one thing I want to do, just to reiterate what I went over in that last video, just to make sure you understand this concept, is to create your affiliate link you need to have a registered account and you need to have your username ready to go. And you're going to go to the promote product section and you're going to go to marketplace, and then within marketplace you're either going to type in a keyword for the product you've decided to promote, or you could just search by the categories again, and any one of these products that you see that comes up, whatever niche it happens to be in, any one of these products that comes up in the top 4 or 5, top 10, any of the products that you see here that come up in ClickBank, you would just click on create hop link and it would create that page that I showed you, where you just type in, your nickname goes in, and then you click on create and it's going to go ahead and create that as a hop link. So just wanted to reiterate that and make sure you understand that concept. So I'm going to just do it again for the product that I am promoting for this example. And so went ahead and just clicked on surveys, typed in surveys because we're doing a product about how to make money with surveys. And so I'm just going to go here and do create hop link again. And since I've already created one hop link, it's automatically thinking that I want to use, my same nickname, so the link should automatically be in there. And then I just click on create, and then now you have your link ready to go. So you can always, just right click that and copy it so you have it ready to use. And so just want to make sure that you understand that concept. So what we're going to do next is go to a site called pinurl.com. That's pinurl.com. 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 And you're going to go ahead and take your affiliate link that you got over here, so this link right here. And one thing I like to do before I do something like this is I like to open up a new tab and test out the affiliate link just to make sure it opens up the page that it should open up, just to ensure that you have it pasted correctly. So that's very important because that's how you get paid. So it's very, very important that you check this out. And this is indeed the product we are promoting. And so wanted to, just make sure that that was in fact the product that I was indeed promoting. One other thing I want to show you is that when you're using ClickBank, for example, your affiliate link is going to show up right here where it says hop equals, and that's another way you can track just to make sure that it is picking up your particular link. So now that we know the link works, we're going to go right back over here to pin URL, and this product is very good about keeping you on their page, and so that's good because it'll encourage more sales, and that's another reason I picked that product. So we're back here on pinurl.com. You can see how it's spelled there again, and you're going to, where it says enter a long URL, this is where you're going to go ahead and just paste in that URL that you got from ClickBank, and just click here where it says, make pin URL. Now there are some optional things that you can do. So one thing you might do is use the keyword. So you might do something like surveys. You could do a secret key, or you could do a title. A redirect method, you could do direct, or you could do a masked redirect. That is an option as well. And this kind of explains, what this does. So basically, masked is one of the best things that you can do. Um, one of the best things you could do is do a masked URL. You don't want to do a stealth URL because that will eliminate your affiliate link, is what it's showing there. So you could also do direct, or you could do masked. So whenever they click on the shorter link that's created here, they would be redirected to the long URL, but the shorter URL would be stay in the browser's address bar, and so the user would not see the long URL that they're redirected to. So then that way they couldn't steal your commission. So you could do masked, or you could do direct. And I would prefer doing masked personally. So now that we're doing a masked URL, just go ahead and click on make pin URL. And it looks like, okay, it's already in use, so you could do survey money. That's an idea. So whether it's weight loss product, you could do, weight loss, fat loss for idiots, which is the name of the product if you were promoting the product. That's just an example. Go ahead and input your name, email, username, and password. So the username you'd like to use in your password, and then go ahead and just register. And then once you are registered, you'll just be able to log in, and then you'll be logged in, and then they will give you a short little look and pin URL. Now this is a great tool. I actually just started using it just yesterday with a new account. So I'm very excited. I just got somebody told me about this great resource, and so there you see I just created my pin URL, and notice how um, it says pin URL survey money. Notice how it says that right here. And so there you have it, and it tells you how many people have actually clicked on it, and it tells you, like, here's a link that I have. This is the first link that I set up. It has a total of 32 hits, and I just set that up. Today it had 4 hits, and it tells me the last hit was about an hour and a half ago. And so that is really a neat tool in that it tells you, basically, it gives you the data that you need, in order to track, how many times your links are being clicked. So you can also go here and click on Edit Record, and you could do, the name of the product up here. So in this case, the product is Make Money Taking Surveys, and so that's what I would call it up there. And then I would just go ahead and click on Save and Exit. Now this is all how you use pin URL. So now when you're ready to go, you could use any of these URLs to basically, you can use any of these URLs to um, to go about and promote this. Any of these URLs will all do the same thing for you. So it's whichever one you think looks the best. I wouldn't mind using one called Survey Money, just for the fact that surveymoney.pin URL, that actually looks a little more cleaner to people since you have your keyword, or you've got the one with it as a forward slash. So I'm going to go about and use this one right here. So right next to it, I'm just going to copy it and make sure it's copied. So I'll right click it, and I'm going to open a new tab, and we're going to click on it, and we're going to see what it does, as far as how it picks it up in the browser. So you're going to notice here we did a masked option, so I'm going to paste that in there and just verify that it went through. And it did. It did go through fine. Notice how it shows up here, and notice how it shows up right there. They don't know, um, they really have no idea that they are on a ClickBank product until they go to checkout, unless they already know the system. And so there's, really no chance that they're going to swipe your affiliate link, and you're still going to end up getting credit, for that referral. So that's a very good thing. So keep that in mind. So now that we've got that set up, just make sure, I would just copy one of these and save it, or you could always use the ClickBank URLs that you created here. I personally would like to use pin URL just for the fact, and that's why I showed it to you, is because it gives you the ability to mask your URL so people don't end up swiping your affiliate links, through so they don't swipe your affiliate links, and also it helps it just look a little more professional up there in the address bar. And so I like using pin URL for that sake, and also because I can track and see how many visitors I'm getting, and that kind of information. So that is basically how you would set up pin URL. We're going to go to another video for showing you how to set up the website step by step for this system, just because that's going to take quite a bit more time, and I wanted to really go deep with the pin URLs and make sure that you are, actually using pin URLs effectively, because they can be very, very good for your business. And notice how it already picked up the 2 clicks that I already did, and it shows, when the last hit was on those. So it's pretty neat, and definitely use pin URL for the system. And we're going to go on to the next step of this process.